Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Mac, and we tapping in with another great video. As always, I appreciate everybody who support my channel, who show me love, who subscribe, and just, you know what I'm saying, support what I do. Today, man, we got another dope ass video. Y'all know how we do on my channel. I bring y'all the best on feet on YouTube, and today, man, it's not gonna be any different. We're gonna be taking a look at another one of the most highly anticipated sneakers of 2020. And as you can tell by the title, man, we got the Jordan 4 in the off-white colorway. This is a shoe that a lot of people really want. I was glad that I was able to scoop my pair. I actually got my pair early, as I do with a lot of the hype releases. So with this shoe being so hyped, I'm definitely gonna go over more than I normally would. So man, just go ahead and sit back, relax, watch the video. And if you want to skip ahead to the on feet, you can do that as well. But I know a lot of people are gonna be wanting to cop these, so I'm gonna go into, you know what I'm saying, some details. So first thing we're gonna take a look at is the box. So the box is gonna come Swiss cheese, man. It's gonna be a Swiss cheese box. And what that means is it has a lot of holes in it. So I don't know how many holes. I don't know if every box is gonna have the same amount of holes in the same place, but you definitely want to make sure your box at least has holes in it. So it's gonna come in a regular Jordan 4 box, but it's just gonna be hole punched. Feel me? So I got a women's 13, and that's a men's 11.5. Definitely wanted to make sure I got a pair that I could actually rock, because that's what I plan on doing. I know a lot of people are probably gonna resell these shits for crazy amounts, but I rock all my kicks. So when you open these joints up, you're gonna have, it come with 3 pairs of laces, black, white, light blue. For my video, I'm just gonna keep the laces that come in these joints. I know it's one nigga on YouTube that he be doing all the lace swaps and shit. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just show y'all how they look with these laces in it. I think these are the best laces too, man. So here go the sneaker right here, Jordan 4 in the off-white colorway. All right, man, so this sneaker is beautiful as hell, bro. Like, really like this shoe. This was a shoe that I had to have, and if it came out earlier, it definitely would have been like 1 or 2 in my top 10 sneakers of 2020 so far. It was a women's release, which I was kind of like confused as to why they released it as a women's only sneaker, because this could definitely pass as a men's colorway. And for me, these remind me of the Just Don 2s. It kind of had like a similar colorway, and that was a sneaker that I really still want, but I wasn't able to grab these. So when I saw that these were coming out, I knew it was something that I was gonna be able to cop, or gonna want to cop, and so I just made it happen. I'm gonna go over some of the most obvious details. I'm not gonna get too in depth, but I'm gonna try my best, man. So the back has Nike Air on the back, and it also is pretty much clear, translucent on the back. All right, then you got Air on the side. I know a lot of y'all have already seen pictures, videos of this sneaker, but this shit is nice, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I see why, you know, people want these. I don't know how hard they're gonna be to cop on release date, but hopefully, you know, everybody that wants these is able to grab them. I'm gonna show y'all the other foot, the left shoe. It also obviously comes with the zip tie on it. I hate that about off-whites. I hate the zip tie. I see some people actually rocking this shit on the sneaker, like out in the streets, which looks stupid as fuck, but you know what I'm saying, that's just my opinion. Comes with a hang tag like all Jordan 4s do. So very dope sneaker, man. It's a lot of small details in it, but the quality is definitely A1. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you get like hype releases and the quality isn't there, but on this particular pair, the quality is very nice. It's not one of those sneakers to where it looks different in person than it does on video. Exactly what you see in pictures and videos and stuff is exactly how it looks in person. So then on the laces, you got shoelaces spelled out. Basic off-white shit, man. I actually like the bread colorway that's supposed to be coming out later this year. I like that way better than this colorway, so hopefully I'm able to grab those early as well. But overall, man, this is a very dope sneaker. Like I said, I don't really go into too many details if you are new to my channel, but I do give you a fire ass on feet with a lot of different jeans to kind of help you see, you know, what you can rock with these joints. So we're gonna go ahead, jump into the on feet, and then we're gonna be right back. All right, so we tapping back in. I just showed y'all what these off-white 4s look like on feet. And as always, I gave y'all multiple different looks with multiple different pairs of jeans. So this should help you decide whether or not you want to cop these joints. And it should also help you decide on what type of jeans you can actually rock whenever you do pick these up. So let me know what you think about the sneaker on feet. Let me know how you think they look. Are you rocking with them? Are you passing? You don't like it because, you know what I'm saying, it's a women's release. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions on the off-white 4s. Also, I forgot, as I always do, to tell y'all, I'm gonna give y'all the colorway. So the colorway is Sail, white and black, and these are gonna retail for 200 bucks. And it also comes with, you know what I'm saying, paper. And the paper has just got Off-White 2020, and then it has the Jumpman logo on it. So whenever y'all get y'all pairs, this is what it should come with. And for the trolls, for the haters, here's where I got it from. I got it from go.com, stickers. All my shit is 100% legit. So yeah, man, that's pretty much all the details. Shows y'all the laces and shit like that. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, bro. I'm probably gonna do another video kind of actually going through a detailed look at it and helping you kind of look out for what you should be paying attention to whenever you copy these secondhand and stuff like that. It's not gonna be like a real versus fake video, but I'm just go over everything that I got in my packaging and to kind of help you guys making sure you get that as well whenever you cop from somebody else, because this sneaker is people gonna get scammed behind this sneaker. That's just what happens with any off-white, any hype sneaker. You got some broke, shady people out there that try to come up off of a sneaker release. So I'm probably gonna drop that immediately after I drop this video. Sizing, typical Jordan 4 sizing, man. Just because it's a hype release, it doesn't change the sizing. So if you normally wear 12 in Jordan 4s, go ahead and get a 12 in these right here, man. It's no different. If y'all got any more questions, man, leave it in the comment section below. That's pretty much it, man. I really appreciate y'all rocking with my channel, supporting what I do, and I appreciate everybody who like watch all my videos, man. I get a lot of people who just watch like early release videos, and then I get people that watch all my videos. So the people that watch all my shit, man, I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna give y'all one last detailed look at this sneaker, and then we're gonna get out of here. All right, so that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're coming across the page for the first time, subscribe, and also give me a like, man, to help the video get more exposure and to help the channel grow. So thank you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.